Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do another word Wednesday and we are doing 2 words today. So the first word is oom and it means uncle, and the second word is tannie and it means aunt. So this is oom and tannie are not exclusively for your aunt and uncle. This is also a sign of respect to someone who are older than you. So, if you call me and you're in high school and you call me Tannie, I'm going to get upset. I'm no one's Tannie. I'm not married to your uncle. I don't like being called Tannie. But if someone would be 30 years older than I am, I would call them Tannie as a sign of respect. So basically that's oom and tannie. So it's quick and easy tonight, short and sweet. So these words I will use probably a lot in my videos. So now you know if I say oom, I mean uncle, and if I say tannie, I mean aunt. And this, like I said, can be applied to family members or people who are at least 20 years to 30 years older than you are. Okay, so I hope you have a lekker rest of your week. Okay, bye.